Hello guys, in this video guys, I will be cooking simpleng ginisang repolyo with herbs, and I am only using this garlic, parsley, and basil leaves, and of course Himalayan salt. I already reheat here guys, an oil, a little amount only. I have to turn on the exhaust fan. I'm just holding my phone guys. Ubusin ko yung guys kasi nagyayelo yung guys, yung repolyo sa sobrang lamig. Pamantikaan itong aking device. I'm gonna add Himalayan salt. First, I'll update you later. Guys, I'm back and now it's time to add the herbs. I will cook all the herbs. Guys, ang aking camera kasi hawak ko lang yung aking tablet. So it's time to turn off. See you later guys. I just transfer it in a bowl. So guys, it's now done. My simple ginisang repolyo with herbs. So this is my dinner and see you. So guys, I'm back. At ito nga, naka-ready na ang aking dinner. I have here banana and apple. I already clean and chop. And of course, this simpleng ginisang repolyo with herbs. And I have only water. So, let's gonna eat dinner, guys. Guys, welcome back. And yes, guys, I'm now eating. So, maybe I don't need a spoon. Kasi pwede naman tusukin ito. This is my dinner. Dapat ibang gulay ang anuhin ko guys, pitsay. Pero nakita ko ang repolyo, napo-frozen siya guys. Nagpo-frozen sa sobrang lamig. Kahit na ang temperature ng ref ay mababa lang. Nagpo-frozen yung itong repolyo. Kaya inubos ko na lang lutuin. For me, it's delicious with herbs. Ginisang repolyo. Hindi ko ito ubusin guys. Magtira ko bukas. It's 7 p.m. here. Of course, the camera at night is different, right? Than daytime. It's like you are very white. Reddish because it's cold, very cold, very cold, guys. Ang saging ko medyo hilaw pa, walang saging na sobrang hinog, all the same, like it not really ripe. Kinain ko na yung isa. Yun nga guys, ang channel ko ay nagiging mukbang na. Kasi naman ako mag-exercise sa sobrang lamig. Jumping jacks lang ang nagagawa ko guys, araw-araw. Maubos na ito. Ako marami sa gabi. Kahit puro gulay, marami pa rin yan kung ubusin ko. Masarap kasi guys eh. Masarap. Parang maubos ko nga eh. Hindi ko ubusin para may bukas pakainan ko. Para may lunch ko bukas. Yung apple na ako. Hindi na ako ng banana guys. Kumain ako ng isa. Hello pa. Hindi mapakra. Ang asim. The apple is the apple guys is sour. Pasaway mga pusa. Binigyan ko na sila ng pagkain nila. Ngiyaw pa rin. Ayan. Kumikindat ako sa asim. Okay guys, once again, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.